How to add a testimonial slider to Wix. So, in order to present your testimonies to potential customers, we need to actually add a testimonial slider. To do it, we need to use a third party application called ElfSite. Sign up for an account and then click on Catalog. From in there, let's head over and search in here for testimonial widget. We can now see in here this testimonial slider. So head over and click on it. From in there, we can see in here the templates that we can choose from. We have slider, rotator, carousel, as well as dark carousel and a lot more. I'll just choose in here the slider. Let's click on to this continue with this template and you can input right here the name as well as the actual testimonies by specific users, star rating, the date about that, social profile, as well as website URL. Just continue editing that one, and once you're done, click onto this publish option. Once it's been published, choose in here the actual plan that you want to use. I'll choose in here the free plan. Then click on this copy code and then head back right here to your website. Onto your website, just head over to any blank part of your website and click onto this plus icon. Now from this case, head over to quick add, scroll down and choose iframe. Drag and drop iframe to the blank part and then click on this enter code. Input right here the code and click on update. From in there, you should be able to see it just like this and just resize it according to your liking right there. So that's how you add testimonial slider to Wix. Hope we helped.